Imagine the sky suddenly tearing apart, and within seconds, a bright flash that shakes the ground beneath your feet. This is not science fiction, it's a real threat that could change everything in an instant. The meteorites that threaten our world are actually closer than we think. Mass extinctions on Earth are not rare. Over the last 540 million years, several catastrophic collisions have left a deep mark in the history of life on the planet. We know about Chicxulub in Mexico, which 66 million years ago caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. It was an asteroid about 10 kilometers in diameter. Then there's the Tunguska meteorite in Siberia in 1908, an object about 50 meters in diameter, which caused an explosion comparable to a thermonuclear bomb, destroying over 2,000 square kilometers of forest. That was enough to terrify small settlements, and had it hit a densely populated area, the consequences would have been catastrophic. According to scientists' calculations, the probability of an asteroid over 1 kilometer in diameter hitting Earth is about once every 500,000 to 1 million years. Such an asteroid could lead to a global catastrophe. However, there are smaller objects, meteors 50 to 100 meters in diameter, that could hit Earth once every 1,000 to 10,000 years, potentially destroying entire cities. We already know how this happens. In 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor in Russia, 20 meters in diameter, exploded in the atmosphere but damaged thousands of buildings and injured over 1,500 people. The problem is that meteors of this size hit Earth much more frequently than giant asteroids. According to statistics, these objects can strike once every 100 to 500 years. This means the probability of such a meteorite colliding with Earth in the next 100 years is between 10% and 50%. This suggests that a meteorite of this size could very well destroy a city or region, but the scale of the disaster would be localized rather than global. For example, if such an object were to hit a densely populated area, the consequences could be devastating. Buildings destroyed, thousands of people injured, and massive economic damage. Mathematics and astronomy also provide important insights. Based on scientists' calculations, the next meteorite, about 50 meters in diameter, might strike Earth around 2016, though this is not an exact date. Like all probabilistic events, the fall could occur earlier or later. Just as the Tunguska meteorite of 1908 came as a surprise, the next impact could happen in the same unexpected way. So despite the extremely low probability of Earth encountering a giant asteroid in the near future, smaller meteors, capable of causing destruction within a city, threaten us far more often. Scientists continue to monitor space objects and develop new technologies to deflect such threats, but the exact date of a fall cannot be predicted. However, one thing is certain: space doesn't stand still, and we must be prepared.